Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Miro and create wireframes for web UI step by step clearly. To install Miro, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Miro website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click on login. To create an account, enter your email address and a secure password. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Board button to start a new project. From the template library, select the wireframe template. This will open a blank canvas with useful components for wireframing. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You will find various shapes, text boxes, and icons. To create a wireframe, start by dragging rectangles for image placeholders. Use lines to indicate navigation menus and buttons. Add text boxes to label sections and describe functionalities. Utilize the icons from the toolbar for common web elements. Group related elements by selecting them and using the group function. As you design, continually refer back to your project requirements. Once you are satisfied with your wireframe, save your work. Use the share feature to collaborate with your team. You can export your wireframe as an image or PDF for presentations. Review feedback and make necessary adjustments. This will enhance the usability and visual appeal of your web UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.